Hey guys, how are y'all doing? Hope y'all are doing fine today. Sorry guys, just need a moment to breathe. Today we're gonna be learning about the so today we're gonna be learning about the hypothalamus. Yes. Ooh, sorry. Today we're gonna be learning about the hypothalamus gland. So the hypothalamus gland's location is here. Sorry, wait. The hypothalamus gland's location is at the base of the brain, and by the base of the brain, I mean the center of the brain. Hypothalamus's location is at the base of the brain, in the brain, below the thalamus. I don't know where the thalamus is in this image, and above the pituitary gland. This is the pituitary gland. So that's the location of the hypothalamus explained in 44 seconds, and these are the hormones that the hypothalamus gland releases. Actually, guys, you know what hypothalamus's function is? The entire purpose of the hypothalamus gland is to tell the pituitary to release specific hormones. I mean, look here. Releasing. They stimulate the pituitary, releasing. They block release from the pituitary, inhibiting. I mean, guys, all of the hormones that the hypothalamus gland secretes are just to tell the pituitary what to release and what to not release. Then think of hypothalamus gland as the boss of the pituitary, okay? Now we're gonna be going into the real things. Now, anyways, again, yes, I use ChatGPT. Any problem with that? Now, anyways, so there are 4 hormones which the hypothalamus gland releases to command the pituitary. These four hormones command the pituitary. Sorry, I just needed a second to breathe because I've been yapping for so long, like 2 minutes, continuously, non-stop. But anyways, this is the first one is TRH, thyropsin releasing hormone. It is for the thyroid gland. The function of the TSH is to stimulate T4 and T3. And next, CRH, corticoptin. Why are the science names so long? Like the scientists purposefully name the name of the hormones big on purpose so that it will be hard for us to memorize them. Like, I do not know how you 10th graders and 9th graders memorize names this big. Like, they're literally impossible to memorize. But continuing, we were at the CRH. Don't think I forgot. We were at the CRH, corticoptin releasing hormone. It is for releasing the ATCH, which is to stimulate the adrenal gland. ATCH is for lowering stress. How does body lower stress? The body lowers stress by making sugar go into the blood. Yes, by increasing the sugar level in blood, your stress decreases. If you want to find out more about that, too bad, I won't explain that in detail in this YouTube video. So, next, GnRH, which is the gonadotropin releasing hormone, which stimulates LH and FSH, which is for reproduction. Whoever laughed when I said reproduction, it's not funny. I'm explaining a biology video. So, anyways, LH and FSH are obviously for reproduction. And next, GnRH is growth hormone releasing hormone. So GnRH is for releasing GH, which is growth, and growth hormone is for growth in height, obviously. By the way, guys, if y'all need to, y'all can screenshot this whole page for you if you want. In case you need it in an exam, you can screenshot this page. Screenshot it, good. Now, inhibiting hormones. So these hormones tell the pituitary to release other hormones. These hormones tell the pituitary to stop releasing hormones. Now, when you're too tall, when you're so tall that the body cannot handle it, the hypothalamus gland releases GHIH, which is growth hormone inhibiting hormone, also known as somatostatin, which stops the GH. So basically, growth hormone inhibiting hormone tells the pituitary to stop releasing growth hormone. Okay, good. And PIH, prolactin inhibiting hormone. Prolactin is dopamine, and this PIH tells the pituitary to stop releasing dopamine, because dopamine makes us happy, and hypothalamus gland wants us to be sad. That's why it releases PIH to make us sad. So sad, right? Anyways, I just needed a second to stabilize, because I've been talking for 6 minutes straight without taking a break. So now, hormones sent to the pituitary posterior by what? So these are hormones that the hypothalamus gland makes, but the hypothalamus gland sends it to the posterior pituitary. Posterior pituitary is posterior pituitary, and anyways, these glands, the hypothalamus gland sends to the pituitary. They are ADH, which controls water balance, and oxytocin, which is for birth, bonding, and trust. Oxytocin is for bonding and making friends and making enemies, and ADH is just for controlling water. And here is a joke. No, actually, 4 out of 4. Actually, 100% of the hypothalamus gland. 100% of the hypothalamus purpose is just to tell the pituitary. Guys, think about it. The hypothalamus gland just tells the pituitary gland to release specific hormones. It doesn't do anything apart from that. Think of it as the boss of pituitary gland. Anyways, there are two connection types. Okay? There are two types of pituitary glands: anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary. Now, the hypothalamus gland obviously needs to talk to the pituitary gland somehow. But how does the hypothalamus gland talk to the pituitary gland? By talking. No, the hypothalamus gland does not have a mouth, teeth, and tongue to talk to the pituitary gland. It does not say to release the hormones. It gives the pituitary gland hormones from these two signals, and those hormones tell the pituitary gland to release other hormones. That's what really happens. But for your simplification, I lied to you and said the hypothalamus gland. Obviously I didn't lie to you. I just said the hypothalamus gland releases... Wait, what? I just said the hypothalamus gland tells the pituitary gland to release hormones. But it's not like that. It's actually way more complex and difficult than that. But we're gonna be seeing those complex and difficult topics through these two, through this page. Sorry, I've been talking in British accent for so long. It is making me confused on what I'm saying only. So now I'm gonna talk in my American accent. Sorry, this is my American accent. Yeah, this is my American accent. And now there are two ways the hypothalamus gland talks to the pituitary gland: hypocele portal system and neural connection. The hypocele portal system and neural connection are the part of the pituitary stalk. There are two organs of one being, two parts of one system. You can think of it as that. And anyways, the hypothelial portal system talks to the anterior pituitary and neural connection to the posterior pituitary. Signal type. Signal type means how does it talk? Does it talk to nerve impulses or to hormones? Hormones via blood just means hormones being carried by blood. And anyways, hypothelial portal system talks to the anterior pituitary by hormones through the hypothelial portal system. Why is it called portal system? There's not a Minecraft portal there. But anyways, it talks to the posterior pituitary by nerve impulses, which get carried by nerves, neural connection. And now, the hypothelial and neural connections are part of the pituitary stalk, and that's all I wanted to say for today. Bye.